Okay, this is the mixing area where the the ingredients are mixed, and it's heated by steam. And this is the tank, pre-collection tank, and this is the preheating section before it goes into the cooker. And here is the microfilm cooker, where it cooks the sweets, and the vacuum pump where it extracts the moisture from the sweet, and the additional water comes into here, and from here the mixture goes into the depositing section where it deposits into these molds. And this is also pneumatic controlled, so this is the depositor. As you can see, the PLC touchscreen control on the other side, and then it goes into the cooling section